doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys another Dollar Tree haul. This is going to be in the crafts aisle for my nail art. If you guys saw in one of my shorts recently, I posted from the plus aisle on Dollar Tree that there's some great stuff there. So I'll let you know if they're from the I'll let you know at the sticker, obviously, and then the rest that doesn't have a sticker is going to be from regular $1.25. So okay, let's get started on this haul. Subscribe if you guys haven't. Don't forget to put the notification, guys. It really helps my channel. Okay, so let's get started. So this one is the one I found today. I went with La Mami's y Tony, my husband. So I got this one, the mini diamond filler from the $3 plus aisle of craft. So look at that. Looks so beautiful, guys. When I saw it, I was like, I'm in big trouble because I'm gonna want to get some. Excuse my nails, guys. I'm gonna do a nail tutorial soon, so that's why I don't have no nails on right now. So yeah, look at that. So beautiful, so nice. 9 pieces, it says. 18 grams total, and each one contains 2 grams. So look at that, guys. So beautiful. Okay, ahí está la mami. Say hi, mommy. Hi. That's why you guys hear her in the background, because she's playing with her stuff. Okay, the next item I got for $3 filler. Look at that. The hearts and blue and purple with the little stars right there. Okay, and again, this is going to be 12 pieces. So, this one is 12. This one is 9 pieces. There, guys, so you guys can see that. I love how they shine and everything. This is the first time that I went to this specific, the crafts aisle. I love to go there, but recently hadn't been there, so I'm glad I took a peek to be able to get all this stuff. Look at this crushed glass filler. I can't wait to play with these items and put them on my nails. I saw that was pretty cool. Look at that blue one right here. I don't know if you guys can pick it up from the light, but it's gorgeous. The silver, the gold. So can't wait to play with this. It's gonna be nice. Change, and this is gonna be a 9 piece. So I guess the clear packaging is probably 9 pieces, and these ones are gonna be 12 pieces. Okay. This other one, again, another mini diamond filler, because I had to get 2, because look at that. Again, I'm mesmerized by it. It looks good quality too, so couldn't say no to that. 2 of those. This other one, I loved it too. Well, I loved all of them, but look, this one is more universal. See? So beautiful. Look at the sparkles right there. I loved it so much, guys. Pretty sure you guys are shocked if you guys are watching this video. Looks really good. Let me just put them like that, so it's more appealing. Okay, and this other one, the last one that I got. Okay, another filler. And even right there in the packaging, it recommends that you can use it for anything that you want. So yep, I love it for the spring, any time of the season usually, but usually this one would be for the spring, and maybe this one could be for the winter, New Year's or stuff like that. Mix and match. You guys know when to use them. Okay, and then I got another one of this one. I like to use this for my cuticles, to push my cuticles, if you watch my recent video. So it's a gel polish removal tool. Great quality right there. So got another one because I loved it so much. Okay, and then I got this one that I saw barely the first time I saw this one there. It gently removes makeup impurities, all skin types, sensitive. So got that one. Okay, then I saw this one the first time I see the clear one, lash glue. So that's just non-nail related, but still it's a beauty item. Okay, and then I got another one of this Kiss gel shine nail polish, clear nail polish. You can never have too many of these, so got another one. Oh, and then this is the first time I saw these nails. I've seen them before in other videos, but I wasn't lucky enough to actually have them available at the Dollar Tree, so I'm so glad that I was able to get them. They look so gorgeous. So later on I can glam them up in one of my future videos, so stay tuned for that, guys. I'm gonna just put it right there. Okay, then I got this one, the nail art wrap. Look at that, so beautiful, you know, for a classy night out. Now with the babe, ahí está. Okay, or anytime, but I'm just saying that. And then, oh my god, this is the first time I got the nail art tweezers. I've been seeing this all around, but I wasn't able to get one myself. They keep selling out, so I'm so happy that I was able actually to get this. Look at this. This fine tip tweezer provides control precision you need. I use like the regular tweezers, but I wanted to get this ones before, so I'm glad I got it now because they always sell out. You know, so they must be really good because they're always sold out on my Dollar Tree. But anyway, yeah, this is the overview, guys, of what I got. So you guys can see. Look at that. I love it. Hey, that mommy, you like it? So I got all those items right here. So yeah, if I were you, like if you want to get any of these items, the Dollar Tree and the Plus side, go now because they're gonna run out, I'm pretty sure, because that's such a great deal for any type of nail art or any project crafting. So yeah, that was a good deal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you guys like this. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. That really helps my channel, guys. And that's it. That's what I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Say bye, mama. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.